Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the Royal Match with good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about the application of Royal Match and you click here. We search about it like this. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. So please don't forget